Just a hop, skip and a jump away lies the diverse pleasures and gorgeous coastlines of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach offers the escape you've been looking for. With plenty of water sports to choose from, you'll never be short of something to do. There's a bus stop nearby, so getting around is easy. But if the sand doesn't do it for you, then why not spend a peaceful day fishing, just you and your thoughts? For adventure seekers, we recommend some of the local scuba diving. There's nothing else quite like it on the planet. Make sure you don't miss the nearby attractions. Has this beach captured your imagination? Then it's time to get packing.